hari ukuntu njye mbona nta industry hari tu.
Congratulations on your wedding.
Bless,
you had
bless.
You had a beautiful time. You did a big one. You did a big one, Kabisa, man. Congratulations, man. You did it big, byatari. Uvugaho inkuru niki, udusori niki, ku ruhande niki. How do you take that?
Shit, nigga can never, bro. They can never get me out of my character. Uko, I've been in this game for so damn long, bro. Kandi usanga baragiba kuvugaho, man. It's a lot of shit.
Maybe you and your wife, your queen, maybe you can do like something together, probably.
I mean, she got passion for podcasts and all that.
And right now, you have any top 5 right now?
Top five. It's always been the same for me, man. Adi Bulldog, definitely Diplomat.
Kavish.
On the second.
Yo, man, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Feed Your Focus podcast. I go by the name of Boris. We're here today in Atlanta, Georgia. I got my brother with me right here on my right side. Please, I'm just going to let him introduce himself, man. How you doing, my brother?
Man, I'm grateful, bro.
Yeah, cheers, man.
Nice seeing you again.
Yes, sir. Happy New Year, man. 2026, man. It's been a while, man.
Yes, sir. It's been a minute, bro.
How you been?
I think they know me, bro.
Yeah.
I've been good. I'm saying like changing a little bit. Status changed, for a minute.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, it's your boy Shizzo Shmane.
Shizzo
Afro Puppy.
Yep.
BGY, CEO. You already know.
Absolutely.
We're in Atlanta, man,
Yeah, absolutely.
You are one too.
Fresh my byatari, man. Thanks for pulling up on us, man. How here in Atlanta, Georgia, bro. Man. Kiri gute Kigali wara enjoying the byatari. How was Rwanda for you the first few days? Kandi ariko mbere na mbere danone do. Congratulations on your wedding.
Bless,
you had a beautiful time. You did a big one. Kabisa, man. Congratulations, man. You did it big, byatari kandi tukifurije man imigisha myinshi. Man. How did you like it? How was it?
Man, it was beyond my expectations. It was amazing. It was beautiful. We had fun. Family, friends, fans. It was just amazing, bro. I'm grateful,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go to as a new chapter now nk'umuhanzi tuvuga ati wamaze gutera intambwe avuga ati ubu like you becoming a new man cyangwa uracyabivanga n'umuziki byose you trying to do all the thing at the same time?
I mean, some other stuff gotta be, like just gotta take responsibility and balance both shit, I record the moment I'm focused on family.
Kavis, bro, that's a blessing.
Music here and there,
Yeah.
I record family first. I record your other self,
Yeah.
Shout out to Mama T. Shout out to the beautiful.
Shout out to the beautiful queen, man. Absolutely, man. You did a big one. Congratulations on that. Ariko man, nk'aba muri diaspora, man. Tubonye nk'umuntu uba muri diaspora, you go back home ugakora nk'ibintu byiza nk'abiriya, man. Natwe bidutera ishema byateta turi Shizzo ugomba kuduha agakino, man, ukatubwira how you gotta do it too, man. When you go back and you're on the vibes and you can be able to make a play, bigacamo neza, man, bari umugisha.
I know. But I believe ko uriya buri muntu agira nyine their time.
Yeah.
You just, as long as you're doing the right things, you meet the right people.
Right.
So nk'abajene binahaye ndabisi bamwibitse ibintu byinshi cyane. Gufata ibyemezo birabagora.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, end of the day you meet the special someone. Birangiza tu.
Yeah.
The special one.
Byongeye man, ubibona gute? Ubumenya gute? Ariko man, that's a good thing.
Energy, man. Ariko usanga, I mean, it's life. You meet a lot of people,
Right.
Been to many places, seen many faces. Ariko the special one, energy matches, bro. Like on another level, man.
Yeah, man.
Kandi urabizi zikigiye kuruzigiza iki n'iki. Ariko ari igihe uhura n'uwanyawe ukavuga ati naha.
Ni hano ruzingiye tu.
For sure.
No, that's what's up, man. That's what's up, Kabisa, man. You know, other than that, no. Other than that, man, let's get past it for that a little bit, man. Other than that, niki kindi kintu wakundiye mu Rwanda, man, wari ukumbuye when you went back home uravuga ati, man, I missed this shit byataye.
Man, sasa for me, Rwanda is always new, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, nikugiyeyo, there's always something new. Mostly ngese ko mani kumburiye just good times and our people, especially at this time hariko, you know, with the events nari mfite wasanze utuntu byose ari sawa, but just hanging out with the folks, you know what I'm saying, chilling with the homies, you know, nibyo bintu babirenze tu.
Ukunda guhura n'abajama benshi byateye muri diaspora so you get back home?
Not really.
Yeah.
But you know, abari abajene binaha bake, sometimes we link up.
Yeah.
Ariko urananje kumfatisha cyane na wife in the picture. It was kind of hard. But mbizi ko ari abajene bari hariya tu bameze neza, you know.
Ase bobya biboro njya mbona man, sometimes when I be in Atlanta nyine mba ndi kure nyine yo mu rugo byatari nahi, kandi I've been here for a long time, ndi kubona tuyiri muri industry byatari turiya iriya vibe yo kuba muri industry ya entertainment byatari bakuvugaho inkuru n'iki udusori n'iki ku ruhande n'iki. How do you take that?
Bro, like these days, bro, niggas say whatever they want to say. Industry niko bimeze, man. If you're a star, cyangwa si if you assume to be a star, cyangwa abantu bagufata nk'umustar n'iki, but you just uri inyenyeri, man, you know. Everybody throw shots at you, you know, abavuze this, abavuze that, BS, ibintu nk'ibyo. So for me, man, I'm just like, ushobora kubyuka ugasanga wakoze nkuru wibereye imihanda cyangwa uri kurya party n'iki.
Just like that.
So, you know, for them to make views, you know, talk negative shit n'iki, usanga ari ibintu baramenyereye too, and then, you know, life goes on, bro.
Kabisa, man.
Iko bimeze kabisa.
Donje byatari agimba nkumbuye mu Rwanda byatari, and you know, nk'aba friends banjye nk'abi nyine mu mwagiye home nyine, I get to live Rwanda through you guys, you know, with the vibes that you go through with byatari too. Yeah, man. So what have you been working on recently other than that? Personal life, music wise, cyangwa creative wise, have you been working on anything?
Not a lot, bro.
Yeah.
Lately I've been focused on, you know, settling down, family time, you know. But I just got back, man. I just got back.
Yeah.
You know, about to hang out a lot at home, chill, you know. Even just wanna kabishira ku murongo, and then maybe in couple months I might work on some songs.
Yeah.
I vibe murabashaka kureka hanze turi iki gihe soon.
Yeah, man. No, absolutely, man. Also, you know, all this time that you haven't been in Atlanta, man, you've been here for like a few hours. What niki wakunze hano muri ATL to kuwagaruka to just be chilling with
Atlanta is that city.
Yeah.
Atlanta very fresh, man. Maka vibe kari cool. You know, we've been coming here for so many
times, man. We always have shows in March too.
March was always lit, you know. So Atlanta, man, very cool vibes, you know. See good people around it,
No, Shizzo Kabisa is one of the artists, Kabisa, that has been supporting us for a long time. We've been working with him for a very long time. Kabisa TCG with Shizzo for popping and kuva kera byatari. Every March tuba turi muri ATL for spring break and shit like that.
Yeah,
you know. Ariko bo tugarutse inyuma man kuri industry yo mu Rwanda too, you know.
Yeah.
Any controversy stories that you've been going through lately? You know, ziriya story niki kintu. Do you have any comments you want to make about that?
I mean, about me or like the whole industry in general?
The whole industry, or you, and then you personally too?
Well, like on the industry level, uriya nje mbibona biza man bigenda.
Yeah.
Like I'm not really like part of it. Like I want to see bloom. I focus, you know, give my time on it.
Yeah.
I just like been focusing on me, bro. That's why, you know, you see me taking a different route. I think the industry elite, man, you know. Artists, they're working bafite ibigoma byinshi n'iki. Ubona tu ari sawa cyane tu.
Uso hari nk'abajama bari byatari ufite you wanna work with mu Rwanda tu. Like any top artist uvuga ati n'abajama ndashaka kuzakorana nabo man. You have a work with yet?
No, at the moment, mfite collabo na Majiz menshi hari some other big artists. N'aba Queen Cha, aba Diplomats, Rider Man.
Yeah.
I got songs with Bulldog. ugasanga rero currently mba nibereye kumwe n'abahungu banje ba NYC Nyamirambo, shout out to
hometown, man.
To Cav, man. Shout out to Cav, shout out to the boys n'iki.
Yeah.
So bari abajene bazi yo man nibo mba numva imizigo yabo n'iki. But everybody else nabo mbona man bari mu kazi too.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
that's what's up, yeah, tari too. Yeah, that's a good thing too, man. Kuri New Year's, man, wari uri KGL cyangwa wari muri America too?
No, New Year's Eve I was in KG.
Kabisa.
Man,
New Year's Eve yari imeze gute? Wagiriye show?
It was lit.
Wagiye mu kirori? Wagiye muri cya kirori cy'abasaza?
New Year's Eve buriya nje wapi nje nagiye man nagiye gusenga. Mvuye nyine nikuza n'abahungu tujya imihanda gake. There was an event nubwo nayibuka neza ariko man twara amajoro usubiza abajene
Kigali barakesha ni amajoro gukesha to
itapati
kabisa bro ariko kabisa
the last couple New Year's Eves man I just tangirira to muri church get close to God.
Quinty yahinduye ibintu kabisa tusigaye ujya muri church ugasenga nyine
no niko byamye bro ntago nyine nawe ufite makuyongeyemo ariko like umwaka man ukutangira imbere ya Jabro ni mu rusengero man
no byatari baba ari umugisha byatari bro natwe buriya tuba turi kukwigiraho man tuvuga ati reka natwe no tuba turi kugana tuvuga ati duha amasomo how we gonna make a play like that.
Like which one, bro?
I mean, to get married and start a family too. Abantu nk'abajama bose n'ibyo abantu babifuza too.
Absolutely, bro. I mean,
it's a blessing.
It is. It's beautiful. Wanabyifuriza umuntu wese.
Kabisa byatari.
No umushinga w'Imana. That's what I like to say.
Kabisa.
Ariko nanone muri iki gihe, man, nyine people are on different moves n'iki.
Yeah.
Ariko ni ibintu byiza man. I hope ko soon or later nawe ngomba kukubona watweretse umukazana n'iki.
Wallahi mashallah very soon guys. Nabone ngari kutureba hano kuri Feed Your Focus podcast ntari bitu. Wabona ariho kabisa ngiditari tu. We go and drink to that, man.
No, drink to that.
Yes sir. Ariko se man ariko se Shizzo reka gwibarize man nk'umuntu w'umuji kabisa nemera hano maze igihe kinini muri entertainment industry especially hano muri diaspora man nubwo nanye maze igihe kinini ariko uri mu bahanzi ba mbere kabisa namenye kuva nagera hano muri diaspora too man ni gute ubona industry muri diaspora ukuntu imeze too like what do you think about that iyo mugiyeho mu mufite agaciro
man sasa bro here muri States cyangwa se no hanze hari ukuntu ngiye mbona nta industry hari tu you come up with your own passion ideas inzozi ukabigira wenyine ariko I mean nta radio iri around here nta huriro n'abantu bahura nk'abahanzi cyane so the focus n'ubundi biri back home bro it's the same industry ariko I mean being here gives you some opportunity you know you get your money n'icyo ugakora ibintu byawe bizima but also man really very challenging you know that challenging kuba udafite crowd you know around you ariko tu nyine we try ubona ko bimeze fresh.
Na byataye man yeah just like man you know I like to give you know respect and prospect kabisa kubajama bose ba diaspora man baba muri America babaye hano for a long time you know yemba bonye kabisa basubira home and they try to do something good you know bagakora iboro biri positive byatari muri community bagasubira home bakora iboro byiza byatari bro abajama nkabo kabisa ndabemera byatari man
for man aruko nyine babumva ko ngo amajizi ya diaspora ngo yo crazy yo some bomb shit ariko you know you ukora right move n'abajizi bavuga shit tutanzi tutarahura fuck with your heart man you know what I'm saying uhuye na the right when you meet the man just wanna create a fresh too.
Yeah, totally, man. No, for real, man. Yeah, man. I give respect, kabisa, to all them guys, all them niggas. They've been making money, go back home and then just invest in the community, you know, put some money back in the community. They share, you know, they exchange ideas, they open businesses, make music together. I feel like you're really positive, man.
Absolutely, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, sometimes you're in the right place to do the right things, you know.
Yeah.
Connect to the community, get back.
Kabisa.
Do some big shit, bro. Some positive stuff.
Yeah,
usanga ari neza man, usanga ari neza kabisa.
Abose man, talking about that shit man, amakuru tumaze imisi twumva kuri ino mihanda social media se man. Atari igikutu atari izindi story tuzigiye twumva hano za hanze byatari
ikigoma gishya mfite ikigoma gishya
bakuru ku muhanda kabisa kwa motari kabisa
no ku bakozi nawe urayumva reka
wala amakuru bayageze badikije man.
What's the word straight
ariko ari amakuru man tumaze imisi twumva man y'aba diaspora bajya mu rugo nyine bakitwara nabi cyangwa bagashaka kwanduza like image y'igihugu cyacu n'ikigo. I feel like that shit is wild too. That's some weak shit, biteye isoni byataye. What do you think about that shit? Yiri kubibona too muri social media like that?
Bro, bila stuff nanjye ndabibona too man. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I get surprised like everybody else.
Yeah.
But I know nanone hari abantu ntihabura uruntu. So sometimes, shit goes down south. Usanga abaniga wenda bari gusangira and then it gets crazy. But nyine mwana abajizi tu aba diaspora no kujya bagira ari tu bakaba calm n'iki n'ubundi ariko bari calm. But nuko more careful man,
Yeah.
Bari boro ntago bidwiriza nyine ishusho nziza tu.
Bari kudusayisha byose bakagira ngo amaniga yose muri diaspora we are like that too. I'm like, come on, man. We're just chilling, man. We're just on good vibes and each too. I think sometimes they don't each other. I feel like sometimes they don't equal. I mean, I think umuntu agomba kuvuga n'ibyiza nyine umuntu yavanye aho manya bituma kugira ngo umuntu avuge ibintu biri fake like that.
Ariko ya ni incident irambona njya incident yaba no ku muntu wese utuye n'umuloko. Just nuko byabaye kuri ramuje gusinzi n'umuroko yabitekereza
bo muri diaspora bose bo bumva ishiriya story man ya piti bagiye muri diaspora bagasubira mu rugo iriya story numvisha tukagira n'umuvandimwe witaba Imana RP Mega Resi so that was a sad story as well. That was a man boro ni fake byataye ariko byiza biri imbere
boro no kudusigira isomo to nyine man. Just get a hang out with the right people man, right time. Ariko abantu kwitwara rika bro gakega. That's the move.
Yeah man,
that's the big move bro.
But other than that man, do you have any other like plan, anything you want to do in 2026 you're looking forward to? Bitari banga cyane tu utamenya babanga cyane other than anybody personal life hari ikintu wabwira abafana wa Shizzo right now ukurikiye feed the focus.
Yeah man, currently no kumva ikigoma cyanje bro. Agagare no song itwa KOD kabiri.
Yeah,
I feel like I push some energy into it.
Yeah,
no kumva imirongo too bro. Ariko ibindi byo biri personal cyane man, but this gotta be a big year for sure man,
for sure.
Gotta make a living.
Do you have any top 5 R&B artists mu Rwanda right now?
R&B?
Yeah.
Man, R&B buriya nanjye ntago nyumva cyane.
Like cyangwa just top 5 artists mu Rwanda right now. You have any top 5 right now?
Top 5 it's always been the same for me man. Ari Bulldog, definitely Diplomat.
Kavish.
On the second, shiramo Rider Man, Romva, bitamo Zeo Trap, and man most of the time also nje burangunda kwiyumvira some P-Fla as well.
P-Fla, it's a legendary P-Fla from NYM man. Capital P man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, yo man, you're my brother Shizzo man. Thank you so much for being here with us man. Welcome back to Atlanta man.
Always bro.
Good vibes.
A-Town.
Bawaje kutuguyeho kabisa tu.
How do you manage no kuba mu topic zo muri KG like ntabwo ujya wiburira every time muri K
uri muri story guys.
Moment yashize igomba kuza kabisa.
Bless Songo is the right thing.
You be going viral every time kabisa. Stories zose abakuvuze udu story mu Rwanda.
Picture hano mujabo ko akanazamo muri DM tudera umuhungu.
Kwani ko Shizzo byari byageze gute hariya tu.
Oh man, KG man, it's so sure, bro. If people are focusing on you, nagwa gusitara kapo. But the other good thing is also if you're doing the right things, yubukwe man, it's a must. Bukwe bagomba kuvuga cyane cyane ko abantu bose nagwa babyishimira ikintu twabonye, bro. Shaza riri hanze niki. Ariko man, you know, twebwe man, you know, dusengeye, bro. Yeah, we blessed man, chosen ones.
Okay, bro, nibi byatari man, iriya bad energy yo kumva ko umuntu atakwifuriza neza tu. Kandi uri gukora ikintu kirenze byatari mu buzima bwawe man, ukabona n'abantu man ntago yikwishimiye, they want to tarnish your name. That's like
man, ko people bahoze, bro, people kuri isi ntago can expect them to clap for you, to root for you. Nah, bro, they praying when you're down for. Niko abantu bameze tu. Ariko man, urakora cyane tu kabireka ko it's different, bro.
When iriya energy mu Rwanda sizahinduka gute? So what do we have to do to change that energy?
It can't, bro.
Urwango rwinshi byatari niki.
It is what it is, bro. They make money out of it.
They want to see you go down, byatari. Like, what the? Come on, man.
Jewe se buriya ni cyane man, it's bro, njye ntago mba hariya man for a minute.
Entertainment iba dry byatari yoshiza vuye tu. Yuvuyo entertainment iba dry.
Ntago miruka mu makuru man, maybe just during the wedding season nibwo byaje bariko. Oh yes. I gotta check the news. Who? Oh yes.
Very similar.
Ariko se muri story zose zigeze hari story nimwe yari wari wumva nyine cyangwa make you feel like down, you feel like you wanna like talk back or act out of Shizzo, you know, acting nk'utari wowe tu.
Bro, never.
Story yahuza hano.
Ntago bijya biguca intege tu.
Nanjye ngiye kujya live, ngiye gukora ibindi bintu nanjye mvuge, you know.
Shit, nigga can never, bro. They can never get me out of my character. Because I've been in this game for so damn long, bro. Kandi usanga baragiye bakuvugaho man, it's a lot of shit. Ariko nyine hari igihe baniga, bro. Avuga n'icyo kare bavuga none wowe. Ni
wasubije niki.
But yeah man, uko ubibona ni kuriya nibyo nje nabona man. Ari byo nabona, excuse me, ariko ewa abo bantu bagomba gukora cyane bakuri tubamenye none se wavuga iki. Work hard, play hard.
Amafoto yawe byose biri kuri internet. Internet is forever.
Uzajya ifoto uyishire muri boro. AI detect urebe.
AI ihuza abantu bakuriye ko AI kororo ni Elon Musk.
Jakoze.
Man, je ntago hari boro je nubwo nkunze kujya keje ariko I don't watch a lot of stuff ziri local cyane man.
People who don't know you sometimes yo kunujya mbibona na energy then mwenda kuvuga tuba tunyara people they taking nk'umuntu wiyemera bya hatari nige ariko nkavuga ati imiga kuva nayimenye ngo yiyemera
so babona wiyemera bya hatari ko wambaye amacenzi yawe ni kuri ku cyango cya hatari bakavuga ati nigiriye yemera siyanga hano rwa bakuvugikije ngo banakuganirize
ibyongereza we niga we
nakubyo byari bya kera man. It's kind of different energy now. Because man, back in the days I used to be outside like that. Ariko, you know, it's different
different place. We are grown now, man, for real.
Kabisa energy really different. Ariko, man, you get how to get along with them, and then so ntago umuntu aba yiyemera, bro. Abasikere se nawe sabi ni made in this.
Exactly, man.
Like, bro, come on, man. Just do your shit. You know, give me my space. Ureke ibintu byose bitarabaye one man nta bintu byatanje.
Because people when they can't put you down, they're trying to find a way. They're trying to find
a way to get you down, regardless.
Banje mpama medita no mba mpareba bro nuko bavuga nkingi ukwiye kuvuga she wowe no tuzi turasangira nitura anaho twahurira sanga man Lubanga danje galizo za TikTok bro. But we chill, man. We just make a move at the right time. gusa people barabizi ko umuntu aba ari calm man cyane
ariko nanone ikiza man ikiza uri murareba industry yose bari kwikubita man you know
nibwo bigitangira bro
kabisa yabigize
bro no yo umisi mikina tujya none izo TikTok tuba izo views zose
kabisa
tappinga shit man
ariko you probably can do shit like that. Do you think that you can be able to stream one day and be a streamer cyangwa
no yeah I cannot be a streamer cause
ariko maybe you and your wife your queen maybe you can do like something together probably.
I mean she got passion for podcasts and all that
any creative things. Yeah.
Shout out to this and that, yo.
Yeah, this and that podcast, man. Shout out to the queens, man. For real, we gotta do a collab one day, man. When we go back home, you know, very soon.
She'll be here soon, bro.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah, for real.
I think all in all, man, it's not gonna show them mvuga make, bro. Uranti mvuga make no streaming all day, man. I'm gonna have show it too.
Nangasa kamwe cyanga 4 hours, guys. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah. Oh man, absolutely, man.
Bro.
Hey man, yo man, this is ibyiza biri imbere bya atari too. This is Feed Your Focus, Shizzo Afro Puppy in Atlanta, man. We are here chilling, kicking it, you know.
Absolutely, and then you get some.
Yeah, atari, man. Absolutely, man. Give us some bars, bro. Hell yeah.
It's like kajibwa miziki z'abanyamugi bakanda nzugi bari kwica umuziki. Niba utumva Bob Pack na Biggie Babylon urambaza iki don't you know ko ari twe bamivuyu yo shit what it do na inubugoye wu niyo gang niyo who still KOD I'm the truth nange niggas ubufu OMG I wish a nigga woo I'ma let my dogs make a move yo she's up for puppy man BGO I ain't these songs man. Bless, man, you know.
Absolutely, man. This is it, man. Feed Your Focus podcast, man. Nigga, we out here, man. Atlanta, Georgia. Bless up 2026.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.